There's a gap we wanted to fill. That was to make technology fun, to bring joy back to people's life.
It doesn't matter what challenge you will put in front of us, whatever we deliver to customers, help them to achieve the goal and also give them a peace of mind.
We believe what we do will make positive impact to the world. It has a lot to do with the 4 joys that we're pursuing. Number 1 is really to make positive impact to people.
Joy is being myself and bringing my whole self to work.
We're just like a big family.
The second joy that we pursue is drive for excellence.
From a customization perspective, we bring a lot.
There's an insane focus on the end user.
The whole team believes in innovation. The third joy that we often talk about is working together as a team.
We have a group of people here that are invested in exactly what we do.
I feel grateful to be a part of the Joy Factory.
If you do well with all 3 joys that I talk about, the fourth is that you will be rewarded with a lot of success.
When I'm at the Joy Factory, I'm excited.
I'm very proud of the company, and when I go out and I sell the product, I sell it with pride.
We have happy people. That's what I'm most proud of.
It's been a joy.